So today we do something a little different. We're going to recover a vehicle, and I'm going to take you right along with me. We've got our subway here, and I'm going to go over a couple of the tools we'll be using, and I'll put a link in the description down below. So if you hear something, check out the link there while supplies still last. So let's get started. Here it is. So what we need to do is get this bad boy over there. All right, so we got the truck and the trailer in position. Now we need to get that bad boy off, and then we can get this one back on and see if we got enough room to get this one back on. So let's get some tools out. So first order of business, removable D-rings. These are super easy and very handy. Truck or trailer, flatbed, you name it. Look at that. Put your little pin in. We're going to attempt to drive it on the trailer. Never goes that easy. For once, it actually worked out. So the next order of business is some straps. We gotta get the straps on. So Rhino USA is going to come through with our straps. 10,000 pound braking strength, 33 working strength. Nice little carrying case. This style here actually has the chain, the hook on one side. It's got the lasso protective covering, and then you've got your standard D style, and I went back and put some shackles on the end of that so I can hook shackle to shackle. So let's get these bad boys installed. Rhino USA, super awesome. All right, so our next order of business is to get our shackles hooked up here, and the problem I run into, the hook doesn't fit over this shackle here. So what we're going to do is connect this ring to this shackle here, and we're going to roll with it. Make sure we have a little slack in it before we start ratcheting. And tie our little tail off. Wrap that bad boy back underneath. Got it covering the rim, and we've got it extra aligned where the D-ring is with a little extra slack in it. You want about 2 turns or more. That way you got a good tight bite on it. And again, tie our tail. That's good and secure. We tie our tail. It ain't going nowhere. There's truck and tows 15-inch J hook with a 6-foot lead and a grab hook and a T hook on the other end. So we want to have a safety chain with it. All right, so as far as our safety chain, we've got it shackled from the hook to the chain, and we've got it around the D-ring, and we'll go back and put a little clip in it. That way it don't walk its way out. But all in all, we're locked and loaded and ready to roll. Let's get it. Got this bad boy in park, emergency brake pressed, and locked and loaded and strapped up. Guess you get the ride in the back. I believe we had a deer hit, so we got to replace the front grille, the fender. We could probably salvage the bumper. The hood, no, it's questionable. We'll find out later. So let's get this bad boy back on the street. right, here we are. Let's head back to Charleston. 2.5 hour trip. Oh, 6 liter comes through again. 3-tone. 3-tone. She's back there. It never fails. So that changes things. Let's get to wrenching. Just never know what kind of day you're going to have, so it's better to be prepared with extra tools, right? So we have Eacily's 29-piece half-inch drive, standard and metric. Good thing I brought this bad boy. The only good dry rotted tire I had. Oh, it's hot. Now, if we have another flat, we're SOL. We only have one spare. Try that back up. And run it home. Get started. All right, Eacily. Put this bad boy on, make it look good again. I believe that's like a 58 or 59 Impala full-size car. Enough about that. We got to hit the trail. Just glad we were prepared. Look at that. I gotta go. So far, all we haven't used is the TopDon JS 3000 jump starter, just in case we had to winch it on the truck and the battery died. That was our backup. All right, so we finally made it back from our 7-hour round trip, and the only casualty was one trailer tire. And luckily we had a spare with us. So when it came down to it, we only used 3 of the tools that we took with us, and one was the Eacily, 29-piece half-inch drive CRV set here. So that was what we used to take the lug nuts off. We used the RHINOUSA Straps to get this strap down as the lasso style, and truck and tow 6-foot chain with a 15-inch J-hook on the end of it. So thanks for following along. If you'd like to know more about the tools that we use, click the little cart down below. You can add it to your cart for a later date, but check it out. Don't miss out. And these tools made this trip much more simple. So see you on the next trip. Let's go wrenching. So thanks for following along, and let's get this bad boy inside the body shop. And there's the end of the journey. Let's see what else we can put back there. I hate to do this, but I've got a problem. I've got a problem. Oh well. We'll work on that later.